lifestyle, and my name is Simona Pitova. Have you ever had those days when you just didn't know what to wear, whether it's a bar, a date, going out with friends, and just different kinds of occasions? I had, and for me this is the most annoying thing ever, because I like to be stylish at all times and also look great at all times, and it's more about self-respect rather than something else. And to avoid this kind of days when I don't have the creative flow of what I want to wear, just in my mind, in my brain, this vision, or just I'm not in the mood or in a rush, I created my own system of avoiding these moments and just not waste time thinking too much. And this system is amazing. I'm going to share it with you today because it has worked for me so good. And although it can take a little bit of time to do it, trust me, it is worth it because it just saves so much time and you're always prepared to go out and just look great and look on point. So I cannot wait to share it with you. Let's start. What I did is basically I created this kind of board where I've already prepared different kinds of outfits. I've taken 1 or 2 hours to plan everything in order to have different kinds of outfits, different styles, different moods for different occasions, visually ready for me to see and decide instantly what is the mood, what is the day for this outfit. If I am not in the mood, or I'm like thinking, oh my god, I don't have anything in my closet. Well, trust me, you do have everything in your closet. You're just forgetting the clothes you're having and you cannot think of an outfit that you want to wear. Don't worry, those days are normal. So here it is, so easy. You come to your closet, you open the door, and you don't worry about, what to wear anymore because you have everything right here. Another thing that I did was that I separated the different occasions on different doors. So this door is focused on more casual looks and more daily looks, going out with friends, coffee, or if I go to aperitivo, or if I go just shopping or to the supermarket. So this is, you get it, like more casual. But on this door, I have the more elegant and more like club-like going out outfits. Also, I have separated my clothes on different sections. So here I have jeans, tops, accessories, underwear, and on this side I have more going out shoes, heels, and dresses, and like basically the clothes that I've created outfits with. So I'll know instantly what I'm looking for and where to look for it. I haven't taken pictures of the shoes and accessories because it's easier to find them. I've put them very clearly and you can see them very easily. But the clothes, when they're folded especially, it's so difficult sometimes to find it because if you especially have a lot of clothes, you can never think of everything you have in your closet. So this is a very, 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 very useful system of doing it. So also, another thing that I've done is that if I use a piece a few times for an outfit, I place them next to each other. For example, here I've used the white jeans and with the same shoes, but I've substituted the 4 different outfits with 4 different tops. So I have more options to choose from. And I've done this with all the other outfits. Also, let's say the beige pants that I've used for 4 outfits as well, because I love this right now, this kind of vibe. It's a little loose kind of pants, and they're really stylish. I love it. They just fit with so many different like tops and different shoes. So here I have 3 outfits. I've created 3 outfits with 3 different tops, and again with sneakers, but the 4th one is a little bit more elegant. So like, I guess if you're going shopping, or if you're going on a date, so you want it to look more sexy, or you just like want to take a photo shoot in Milan, so you look more glamorous and cool, I would wear this outfit, because right now the boots, you can watch my other video, fashion trends for winter 2019, to see the trends if you want to. But this trend is really cool this season, the leather and high boots. So I've combined this all, the asymmetric top with the leather boots on high heel until the knee, with this loose beige pants, which I love so much, and it looks cool. So for example, you see how it works. You come here, you open your door, you look for an outfit that will fit the occasion, and it's so easy. It takes literally 5 minutes or less, maybe 5 to iron also the clothes if you need to iron them, depending on the clothes, because for me ironing is like so important, really important. Yeah, and yeah, this is what I do. There are like different ones that I've worn. I've experienced how I feel in them. So if I feel so comfortable in them, I definitely will put it on this wall to have them. And also, when you buy new clothes, you always update those photographs, so you have more and more outfits in mind. Another way to do it is to create an album with those outfits. So if you don't want to hang it on your door, or you just don't have the place or the space for that, you can buy an album and print those pictures the right size, put them inside, and separate the album in 2 different occasions, as I did with my wardrobe. I find this so useful and just amazing, because not that you only will have ready-made outfits, but you can also see what you have in your closet and remember and just visually see everything. My video, and if you like them, please subscribe to my channel. It will make me so happy, and see you soon.